Here are 70 parenting hacks that actually work, all in one video. Timestamps are in the description, so save this and come back anytime. Let's get into it.
Tired of the backseat disaster zone? Here are 5 car hacks for parents of messy kids. 1. Line a plastic cereal container with a bag for a leak-proof car trash can. 2. Hang a shoe organizer on the seat back to hold snacks, wipes and small toys. 3. A silicone muffin tray makes a perfect spill-proof snack tray for the car. 4. Drop a cupcake liner in the cup holder to catch crumbs, then just lift it out. 5. Keep a small car kit with wipes, spare bags and water for any mess on the road. Save this before your next drive, and follow Doshi Boys for a parent hack every day. Crayon on the wall again? Here are 5 kid mess cleanup hacks every parent needs. 1. Crayon wipes right off the wall with a little baking soda on a damp cloth. 2. Sticky sticker residue lifts off with a small dab of cooking oil. 3. Drag a squeegee across the carpet to pull out ground-in crumbs and dirt. 4. A lint roller grabs glitter and tiny craft bits faster than anything. 5. Dried Play-Doh softens under a warm damp cloth, then scrapes right up. Save this for the next mess, and follow Doshi Boys for a parent hack every day. Bedtime battles? Here are 5 bedtime hacks that actually work. 1. Keep the same wind-down routine every night. Predictability helps kids fall asleep faster. 2. Lower the lights and switch off screens an hour before bed to cue sleep. 3. Put a nightlight in the hallway, not the room, so night wake-ups are calmer. 4. A fan or white noise machine masks household sounds and keeps sleep steady. 5. Keep a comfort toy in the same spot every night to make bedtime smoother. Save this for tonight, and follow Doshi Boys for a parent hack every day. Make bath time easier with these 5 hacks every parent needs. 1. Keep bath toys in a mesh bag so they corral easily and dry without mold. 2. Test the water with a thermometer or your elbow so it's always safe and comfy. 3. Drape a washcloth over the tap so no one bumps their head on it. 4. A rinse cup or foam visor keeps water and suds out of little eyes. 5. Lay the towel out before bath ends so there's a warm wrap waiting, no scramble. Save this for bath time, and follow Doshi Boys for a parent hack every day. Got a picky eater? Here are 5 hacks that actually help. 1. Serve a new food right next to a favorite. Familiar feels safe, so they'll try it. 2. Offer small portions so the plate doesn't feel overwhelming. 3. Add a dip. Dunking makes veggies fun and gets them eaten. 4. Cut food into fun shapes with a cookie cutter. Same food, way more appealing. 5. Let them help make it. Kids are far more likely to eat what they helped prepare. Save this for mealtime, and follow Doshi Boys for a parent hack every day. Tough moments with a little one? Here are 5 calm-down hacks that work. 1. Offer a small choice, like red cup or blue cup. It diffuses a standoff fast. 2. Set up a cozy calm-down corner with a soft toy as a safe place to reset. 3. Breathe together, smell the flower, blow out the candle. Slow breaths calm big feelings. 4. Name the feeling out loud. Saying you're frustrated helps them process it. 5. A short, calm reset, like a 1-minute sand timer, gives everyone space to settle. Save this for the hard moments, and follow Doshi Boys for a parent hack every day. 5 toy organizing hacks that keep the playroom from taking over. 1. Sort toys into clear labeled bins so kids can find and put away everything themselves. 2. A hanging shoe organizer is perfect for tiny toys and craft bits. 3. Store half the toys away and rotate them. Less mess, and old toys feel new again. 4. A corner hammock keeps stuffed animals off the floor and on display. 5. Keep a basket by the stairs for stray toys, then carry it up once a day. Save this and follow Doshi Boys for a parent hack every day. 5 morning hacks to get the kids out the door without the chaos. 1. Lay out a week of outfits in a hanging organizer so mornings have zero clothing debates. 2. Prep grab-and-go breakfasts the night before to save 10 frantic minutes. 3. A picture checklist lets little kids follow the routine without constant reminders. 4. Set up a launch pad by the door for shoes, bags, and water bottles. Nothing gets lost. 5. Set a timer and make getting ready a game. Kids move way faster when it's a race. Save this and follow Doshi Boys for a parent hack every day. 5 sick day hacks to make a poorly little one more comfortable. 1. Set up a comfort station, blanket, water, tissues, and a bin, all within reach. 2. Offer small frequent sips with a straw to keep them hydrated without upsetting their tummy. 3. Frozen fruit lollies soothe a sore throat and sneak in fluids. 4. A cool mist humidifier eases a stuffy nose and a cough overnight. 5. Jot down temperatures and medicine times so you never double dose or lose track. Save this for the next sick day, and follow Doshi Boys for a parent hack every day.
Flying with kids? These 5 hacks save the whole trip. 1. Pack one small new snack for every hour of the flight. Novelty buys silence. 2. Wrap dollar store toys like little gifts. Unwrapping is half the entertainment. 3. Book the window seat and board last. Less time trapped in the seat. 4. Download everything at home. Airplane Wi-Fi will break your heart. 5. A full spare outfit in a zip bag, for the kid and for you. Trust us. Follow Doshi Boys for a brand new hack every single day.
5 birthday party hacks that save money and your sanity. 1. Serve snacks in a muffin tin. Built-in portions and way less mess. 2. Write names on the cups so you're not refilling 40 half-drunk drinks. 3. A simple balloon arch makes a big impact for a few dollars and great photos. 4. Fill the favor bags the night before so the end of the party is calm, not chaos. 5. Plan 1 or 2 solid games. Kids would rather play freely than be overscheduled. Save this for the next party, and follow Doshi Boys for a parent hack every day.
Rainy day, stir crazy kids? 5 boredom busters using stuff you already own. 1. Blanket fort, but let them design it. The building is the activity. 2. Painter's tape on the floor, hopscotch, roads for toy cars, a balance beam. Peels right off. 3. The recycling bin challenge, build the tallest tower from boxes and tubes. 4. Bake something simple. Measuring is math class in disguise. 5. Lights off, flashlight on, shadow puppet theater ends the day calm. Follow Doshi Boys for a brand new hack every single day.
5 healthy snack hacks kids actually love. 1. Frozen grapes and banana bites are a sweet treat that's just fruit. 2. Fill a low fridge drawer with healthy grab-and-go snacks they're always allowed to take. 3. Pair fruit or veg with a dip. Dunking makes healthy snacks disappear fast. 4. Pre-portion snacks into small cups so it's an easy yes and never the whole box. 5. Arrange snacks into fun shapes or faces. Presentation gets picky kids eating. Save this for snack time, and follow Doshi Boys for a parent hack every day.
Potty training feels impossible? 5 hacks that make it click. 1. A sticker chart they decorate themselves. Ownership beats bribery. 2. Potty breaks every 90 minutes, set by a timer. The timer is the boss, not you. No arguments. 3. Elastic waists only for training week. Buttons cause accidents. 4. A special book basket that only comes out at potty time. Sitting still, solved. 5. Celebrate the tries, not just the wins. Pressure is the #1 setback. Follow Doshi Boys for a brand new hack every single day. That's the whole collection. Subscribe for a new hacks video every week, and share this with someone who needs it.